Yeah, hello.
Hi, welcome to my house.
This
This is my computer. I will now type some things.
Really? Well, did you know I'm a sheep?
No.
Yeah, we're like sheep and tigers. We're interesting people at heart. Oh look. And I watch them have a fight. Sheep is poning lion. No one has ever thought of this on the. No one ever thought of this on the food. No one ever thought of this on the food chain. Sheep pone lion. Evil sheep. Have you seen the movie Black Sheep?
No.
Well, they're like zombie sheep. That's what this is. Yeah. Oh my God! Look, you have to try the elephant. It has a top hat. Hi. This is Mr. Snake. Look how long he is. Hello. How are you doing today, Lydia?
Fixing my phone.
He's like shoving himself in there.
Let's see what my head.
Okay, come on.
I'm gonna put the video on.
How's it going, Lydia?
This is my bag.
Really? How much? It cost you £405.
Yeah, but I can afford.
Oh look, is this your play area?
Yeah. Look at the collection of my bag.
Can you show me when you go inside?
I got doubles. Don't want it to be lonely.
Look, I have black ones though. That's racist. Kelsey, this is racism. Racism. Look at Lydia, look at my unicorn. She doesn't look very bothered. Oh, seal. Seal. Do you like that? Oh my God, they've got cheetahs. They might have pandas somewhere. Oh my God, Lydia, look at this. It's a huge seal. Lydia. It's a huge one. Look. They don't have any pandas. It upsets me to know they don't have. They don't include the light bulb though. Look. Look at this pathetic stuff. £5 million. I mean,
I really want one.
it's just silly. Oh look, it's more toys. Really? You own all these toys?
Should we go back to my house?
No,
Yeah, I think we should.
because it's almost time to go. So that made you change your mind. How are you feeling today, Lydia?
Bad.
Do you like me doing whip pants? Okay. Okay, we're gonna go now. So goodbye.
Bye.